até o chão e vai descer. Perereca até o chão, até o chão. Perereca até o chão e vai descer até o chão. Perereca até o chão e vai descer até o chão.
Hey guys, hope you all are doing what? Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with a hair review. Today hair is brought to you by ChocHair Hair Company. Thank you so much, ChocHair Hair, for sending me this hair. I'll be sure to leave the link below to this hair, their direct store, and all that. They also gave me a coupon code for you guys. Don't laugh at the amount, but at least it's something. The coupon code is Keira8, so you get 8% off of your purchase. It's not bad, it's something. Everything counts these days, shoot, so it's something. So if you are interested in this hair or any hair on their website, then you can go and use that coupon code if you want. So I was interested in their 613 hair. The 613 hair, a lot of people, every time I put this wig on and go outside, a lot of people's asking me, what kind of hair is this, yada yada yada. On the site, it doesn't tell me what hair it is. I think all it says is like 613 blondie virgin hair weave. That's all it says. I don't know what's the origin. I don't know if it's Peruvian, Brazilian, I don't know. But I could say, if anything, to me, it feels like Peruvian, because Brazilian is more silky, but Peruvian got like this coarse feeling to it. So this is what it kind of feels like. I'm not saying it is Peruvian. If anything, maybe they're kind of mimicking it, but yeah, whatever. So I got that, and the length I got was 16, 16, 16, and a 16-inch pre-plucked frontal. Everything in 613. Whew. Y'all don't understand how I am feeling myself with this wig. Like, everywhere I go, when I go outside, I should call this wig attention, because everybody just be they be like that too. They be rolling their eyes like, I'm sorry, like, what did I do to you? I'm just coming up in here. Hey, why are you rolling your eyes at me? But I know it's the wig. I know it's the wig. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys how I got this hair color. So wait no more, you guys. A lot of you guys have been like running me down, asking me how I got the hair color, yada yada yada. On camera, it's coming up silver. I don't know if it's because of the lights, but well, it is silver hair, but the undertone is lavender. So a lot of you guys saw it on my Instagram, so it looks kind of different on Instagram, and I also insert a picture right here. So I'm going to show you guys how the hair comes and how I got this color, so stay tuned. When using Paul Mitchell, the demi color line, you have to use their Paul Mitchell processing liquid, or else the color will not process properly as you desire. It will come out as something else. I don't even know if it will still work, honestly. So pretty much I just pour all of the color into that bowl, and you have to mix it to a 1-to-1 ratio. So to make sure it is the same amount, I put the processing liquid in the demi bottle, pour it in, then mix. After mixing the hair color, the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. Like, come on, it's blonde hair, you have your color. You're just going to take your color and put it on the hair. When doing the frontal, make sure you are parting thin parts because you don't want it to be too thick. You want to make sure your color get all over the hair and saturate the hair very well. When doing the roots, take your time. Like, try to not put too much color on the brush. You don't want the color to run off the roots into the lace. Like, it just won't be that good. So just take your time. I actually had to do it twice because some parts of the frontal, the roots was kind of still blonde. So after that, the same way I mixed the color, I did it for the bundles. I used about 5 bottles to achieve the color, you guys. Okay, now that you know how I got the color, let me just tell you guys a little bit about my experience with the hair. So, I can't stop singing everything. I'm just so happy. But so, I took all the hair and I made it into a wig. Actually, I think I have like a little bit of hair left from the 3rd bundle. Just a little bit, nothing too major. I took all the hair and I made it into a wig with the frontal. Like I said, the frontal comes pre-plucked. I didn't have to pre-plug anything. Thank God. Pre-plucking is not all that fun sometimes, honestly. Instead of making like actually doing the glue gun method, which I usually do, I sewed this wig instead. From now on, I'm going to start sewing a lot of my wigs now because the hot glue gun is good, but it only lasts like 2 to 3 months compared to like sewing your wig with your hand or like a sewing machine. It lasts like way longer, so you don't have to go in stitching anything. Like, glue guns are fun if you're in a hurry, but I'm gonna start cutting that out and going back to hand making my wigs. I actually discovered this color by accident. I bought the Paul Mitchell color, and on the box the color looked like a ash blonde, but then I used it and it came out silver lavender, and I'm just like, oh, it doesn't even look like the box. So I just continued everything, and God is good because I am in love. If I saw this color like on the shelf or something like this, just, you know, like a little swatch, I would have never picked up this color. But God is good, you guys, because this color just drawing attention about face. Huh. I'm so corny. There's no tangling. Shedding is super minimum. That's the best part about sewing your wigs too, because I did the fold over method, so I didn't really start cutting my wefts until I got like right here. So it's not much shedding. Like, that's great. The hair feels great. Do I have any products on the hair? I have like a little shine spray by My Amazing. Nothing too much. I think that's it. I think that's it. Well, I think that's it. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, you guys.